morning students, welcome back in our online class. Today we will see the two kinds of vitamins, that is fat soluble vitamins. In that we will see the different kinds of vitamins, what is their function and their sources, how we can get that vitamins. Second group, that is the water soluble vitamins. So these two kinds of vitamins today we will learn briefly. So first one is fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins means what? The vitamins which are soluble in fat, okay, and stored in the liver and fat tissues in our body. Now first one you can see the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K and vitamin E. So these are the four vitamins which are soluble in fat. So we see the one by one vitamin and their function and sources. So what is the function of vitamin A? So vitamin A keeps or maintain the powerful vision or keeps our eyes healthy. Then it keeps also our skin healthy and build up, maintains the immune system. So what is the main function of this vitamin? It helps maintaining the power of vision and healthy skin, also build the immune system. Okay. Means immune system means that is it's making your body strong to fight against the diseases. Second thing, that is the sources. How we can get these? How we can get the vitamin A, which is very necessary. So we can get this vitamin if you eat these type food items. What are the food items? So leafy vegetables or green vegetables, orange fruits, vegetables such as carrots, sweet potato, pumpkin, tomatoes, cheese, cream, butter. If you eat these type of food items in day-to-day life, your body will get vitamin A, which is necessary for vision. Some students have problems like they are unable to read properly, or sometimes the tears come out of the ears. So they must use the food sources which contains vitamin A to get relief from this problem. Now second one, that is vitamin D. Vitamin D is very necessary. Okay, it helps to absorb the calcium essential for the strong teeth and bones. So vitamin D helpful to absorb the calcium and to make the strong teeth and bones. So this is the vitamin D. One more thing, that is about the source. The vitamin D we can get directly through the sunlight early in the morning. That is why after the birth, small babies, mother takes them in open yard early in the morning to get the sunlight. When the body exposed to the sunlight, our body gets the vitamin D early in the morning. So leaving that, how we can get the vitamin D? So egg, fish, oil, liver, then milk and the sunlight. These are the sources of vitamin D. Next, vitamin K. Vitamin K is very important for the clotting of blood. Clotting of blood means to coagulate the blood. What happens? See, if the vitamin K is very less in your body, so what happens? Sometimes the bleeding will not stop. Sometimes we get the cut. Sometimes screen get the cut. So what happens while cutting the vegetables? Yes or no? So what happens? Suddenly bleeding starts. So if the vitamin K is enough in our body, so that due to that the blood clot early and we can save our blood. But if the vitamin K is very less, so continuously bleeding will be there and the person will die also. So needed for the proper blood clotting. Which type of vitamin? Vitamin K. The leafy green vegetables and cabbage or milk. If you eat this type of food items, so you will get the vitamin K. Last one, vitamin E, that is called the protect cell wall. This vitamin E's function is to protect the cell wall. So what are the sources? Plant oil such as the soybean, corn, whole grain and nuts. These are the sources of vitamin E. So I hope you understood the fat soluble vitamins, their functions and source. Now we will go to the next type of vitamin, that is the water soluble vitamins. And there are two types of water soluble vitamins, vitamin B and vitamin C. So you can see the two types of water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B is a complex, so B1 to B12, okay, types are there. So vitamin B1 thiamine and vitamin B2, that is the riboflavin. These are the names of these vitamins. So what is the function of vitamin B1? So vitamin B1 function is to important for the proper nerve function. Whatever the nerves are there, okay, that nerves work smoothly due to the vitamin B1. Sources: whole grain, bread, cereals, legumes, nuts and seeds. These are the sources. Means through these food items you can get the vitamin B1 or thiamine. Vitamin B2, that is called the riboflavin. This is important for the normal vision and healthy skin. Means for your eyesight, okay, which keeps your eyes healthy as well as sight and the skin also. And you will get this vitamin B through these food items: milk products, leafy green vegetables, whole grains, breads and cereals. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, the main function of vitamin C, that is the antioxidant and important for the healthy immune systems. And the sources are specially citrus fruits. Whatever the citrus fruits are there, like vegetables, citrus fruits like lemon, orange, and vegetables such as the cabbage, strawberries, tomatoes, potatoes, papaya, and kiwi fruits. These are the sources of vitamin C. Okay, and vitamin C is very important, especially for the skin also, and sometimes due to the deficiency of vitamin C, the bleeding we can see through the gums also while doing the brush. So you should have the sources of these food items to get the vitamin C. I hope you understood the two kinds of vitamins: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins.